Hi, my name is Usman Jamal, and with Nevin Gilbert, we are Team Reflex. Every day, 1,000 Americans across the United States face cardiac arrest. And unfortunately, 90% of these people don't survive. This is due to long emergency response times and not receiving an AED shock. In urban areas, the average medical response time is about 8 minutes. And this problem is exacerbated in rural areas where the average response time is about 22 minutes. Reflex has found a way to solve this problem. Nevin and I have been working on Reflex for the past 3 years through the Georgia Tech Grand Challenges program, where we explored problem discovery, customer discovery, solution discovery, and more. Reflex got its name because we think emergency response times should be as fast as a human reflex. And now, we're ready to take Reflex to the market and start saving lives.